In this video, we will show you how to configure a system in OpsHub Integration Manager. To create a system in OIM, you must ensure all the prerequisites mentioned in our product guide for the given connectors are configured. If the system is behind the proxy, then the proxy parameters are set up. In this video, we are taking Jira as an example to set up the system. Here, you can see the high-level prerequisites for Jira integration. Other systems will have similar prerequisites that will have to be configured. One of the common prerequisites across all connectors is to have a dedicated integration user. With the required privileges, this user should not perform any activity from the end system UI and should be dedicated exclusively to the integration. Now, let's take a look at the integration page. Here, on the integration configuration page, enter the name of the integration that you want to configure. To add the first system, which is the source, click on the plus sign. This will navigate you to the Create System page. Here, you need to enter the system type, followed by the system name, deployment mode, and the server URL. The format to write the server URL is given in the tooltip on the screen. Once you have entered the server URL, fill in the username, followed by the API token for authentication. Upon completion, save the configuration. Once the system is configured, all the projects inside the system will load automatically. If a particular project cannot load, the integration user has no access to that project. Make sure to provide access for the project to select. If you continue to get an error and you are still not able to load the project, then please ensure all three checks, prerequisites, proxy, and HTTPS are taken care of. To change system parameters in OIM, navigate to the system configuration page by clicking on the pencil icon. Another way to create or configure systems in OpsHub Integration Manager is by clicking on the Configure System icon from the sidebar. This will take you to the Systems page where you will have to click on the plus sign to create or configure a new system. This will again navigate you to the Systems page where you can create or configure systems.